Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? Mound plus 10. Mound 10. Go plus T. Goat. Mountain goat. If you can do that, you could win a brand new car as we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
Thank you, Gene. Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome again to Classic Concentration. Please join me in welcoming back this young lady. She lost on yesterday's program, but she's full of life and excitement today. She's what?
Vigorous.
Yes, you are. This is Annie Rigmaiden. Welcome back, Annie.
Thank you very much, Alex.
So that defeat in that first game didn't bother you one little bit?
No.
You're ready to clean his clock?
Right.
The his, in this case, ladies and gentlemen, is our returning champion. He's won a couple of games and about $7,000 in prizes. His name is Derek Nagata. Welcome back.
Thank you.
Good luck. Thank you. Take a look over here, and we will show the two of you one of the prizes you're playing for in this first game today.
Part of Adler & Company's diamond jewelry collection, this classic diamond heart pendant crafted in 14-karat gold. It features 15 sparkling diamonds, making an elegant addition to any woman's wardrobe, furnished by Adler & Company. Alex.
Thank you, Gene. On the board, take a look, and we will show you where it is hidden at number 18, the diamond pendant. Easy to remember. Annie, you go first.
All right, let's start by going for the top, number 2.
Number 2, diamond pendant.
I would like to match that at number 18, please.
18 is a match, and that's a beautiful way to start this game. Match for you. A look at two pieces of the puzzle. All right, Annie, you've got a shot at the jewelry. I should tell you that there is also an Alaskan cruise in this game. Does that sound good?
Wonderful. Always wanted to go to Alaska.
Really?
Yes.
Beautiful state. Take a look.
All right, let's see some more of the puzzle under number 10, please.
His and her exercise
I
bikes.
need to exercise. Let's see, number 12.
Video camera. Okay. You could take photos of yourself exercising. Derek.
Could really use that video camera. Let's see what's under number 15.
Video camera.
Oh, is that number 12?
And 12 for the match. Wow. Well done, Derek. 2 more doors swinging open. No?
Nothing.
Try it again.
Okay, let's see what's under number 4.
Wild card.
Let's see, let's
Holiday in Alaska.
Let's go searching for that Alaska trip. Number 17.
Dinner for 2 at your favorite restaurant. The other dinner for 2 is at number 1. 3 more panels opening up for our champion. Try it again.
Okay, let's go to the bottom left corner with number 21.
Red take.
And let's match that under number 20.
Wild card again. Oh, poor Annie. She's not being allowed an opportunity in this game. Let's show Derek the other red take. It's on the board at position number 9. She has that diamond pendant, and on yesterday's program...
I'm gonna save it.
Yeah?
Save it in case we get a trip up there.
Thank you.
Okay, because on yesterday's program I mentioned it because you had said that your wife would love a particular piece of jewelry. I just thought since you didn't win it yesterday, you might grab this now. But
I think she might like a trip better.
I think you may be right. Let's open these 3 panels for Derek. Think again.
Okay, let's see what's under number 3.
Camping package.
And let's match that up with number 19.
Cedar chest. No match. Annie.
All right, I need to see some of the puzzle in the middle. Let's look at number 8, please.
His and her sportswear.
Sportswear. I'll take a guess at number 24 for the match.
His and her sportswear. Good guess. Good guess, Annie.
Yes.
That'll turn it around for you, I'm sure.
I hope so.
Open these 2 panels for her. Try it again.
All right, I still need to see some of the puzzle under number 11, please.
Camping package?
Oh, gosh, that was under number 14, please?
No, green take. Derek?
Was that camping equipment under number 3?
Yep.
And number 11 for the match.
Yeah, Annie was a little pressured, had to make her mind up very quickly, and wasn't able to come up with a match. You did. You've got the take. She's got the sportswear, the diamond pendant.
Let's wait for a little while longer.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you, says Annie. Well, let's see if she really means thank you, if he solves it now.
Yeah, really.
Pick again.
Okay, have we seen what's under number 5?
Green take.
And number 19?
No, cedar chest. Annie?
All right. Can't remember that take. It's number 16, please.
Aquarium. First
And
look at that
number
price.
25 for a yes.
Alaskan cruise.
Oh.
Derek?
Okay, let's look for that cruise under number 14.
Green take.
And number 5 for the match?
Yep.
Okay, we'll take the diamonds this time.
All right. No
Take
choice.
the diamond
no choice.
pendant.
Sorry.
Annie
It's okay.
says, you're cleaning my clock this time. Well, let's see. She's still in this game. He's got to solve it. Open the 2 panels, please, for Derek. And of course, Derek, to assist you in making a match on this next selection, there is still 1 wild card on the board.
Oh, really?
So go again.
Okay. Okay, let's see what's under number 22.
Aquarium.
And was that under number 16?
Yes.
Right.
And you have the other take. You have the sportswear.
I'm gonna hold on to it for a little while longer.
Okay.
Thank you.
No reason to. He's used the green take. Open it up.
True.
Unless he thinks he's going to lose control of the board and Annie will put something really good into her prize column.
I don't know.
Derek, select again.
Okay, let's see what's under number 7.
Alaskan cruise.
And was that number 19?
Oh, Derek. That was a costly error.
Major
Annie.
mistake.
I would like to go to Alaska. Number 7, please.
Right.
And for the match under number 25.
Good.
Prize.
You've got a prize. But
Okay,
more important than
I
that,
gotta solve this thing.
you've got to solve this thing. Yes.
Yeah.
Open
yeah.
it up.
That could be the problem.
Annie, you've got a better than 50-50 shot at making a match now because there's a
Thanks.
wild card up there.
Pressure.
No pressure at all. Just
All right,
take it
number
easy.
6, please.
Cedar chest.
Oh, no. Okay, number 19.
Oh, boy.
Oh, I couldn't remember.
You scared me. We've seen it there a few times. Open those 2 panels for Annie, and then we'll do 10, 13, and 23. That's the exercise bicycles and the wild card on the bottom. Now, Annie, solve this puzzle.
Grand Canyon!
Is it Grand Canyon? It is, and Annie's going to Alaska. Come on. All righty. You go to the board and you explain.
Okay, well, the GR in the hand for grand, that was easy. Now the can, I didn't know what the heck that was. And then he went to yawn. I didn't know if he was scratching his chin or anything, but it's Grand Canyon. Grand Canyon.
Grand Canyon. Grand Canyon.
Well, I got it.
You got it, yes indeed, and you've given Derek his first strike, and that means that the
only
second
one.
game today is going to be very important for each of you because whoever wins that goes to the winner's circle, whoever loses says goodbye. But Derek, we'll see you in a little bit.
Good luck, Annie.
Thank you.
All right, Annie, let's hear about your prizes. You said you got a prize. You got a couple of them. Gene, tell her.
His and her exercise bikes and his and her sportswear. Catalina, scene-stealing fashions in active and daytime sportswear. Classic styles with a pizzazz and easy care fabrics. Perfect for any sport or leisure activity, furnished by Catalina. And a cedar chest. Lane Settee cedar chest with tumbleweed finish has combined seating and storage. Offers the best from the past and heirloom treasures of the future, furnished by Lane. And an Alaskan cruise. We'll fly you and a guest from Los Angeles to Vancouver, where you will board your luxury liner and begin a 7-day cruise, enjoying the incredible scenery of the Alaska Inside Passage, all from Holland America Cruises. Annie, these prizes are worth a big number, $7,204.
Hey, we're When you win big. Congratulations,
Thank
Annie.
you.
We'll take a break and we'll come back and put her to the test in the bonus round.
A consumer cellular.
Annie's getting her first opportunity, so let's do it. 15 numbered squares for you and 35 seconds. Base time on the clock. Good luck, Annie. Go.
1-4,
No.
7-10,
No.
13-14,
No.
2-3,
No.
7-3,
No.
10-3,
Yes.
11-12,
No.
4-11,
Yes.
12-15,
No.
1-12,
Yes.
5-9,
No.
2-5, 2-6,
No.
7-2, 6-7,
Yep.
2-13.
But did you have fun?
Oh, that was so fun.
It was, wasn't it? Would have been a lot more fun if you had won a car.
Oh, that's okay.
But you've got $7,204 in prizes, including that Alaskan cruise, and you're going to play again in that big game, the deciding game, the tiebreaker, right after this. We will have just one wild card in this very important tie-breaking game between these two contestants. But we've got some great prizes in the game. Take a look over here, and we'll show you one of them.
The Apple IIe personal computer for business, learning, or fun with built-in keyboard, disk drive, and standard 128K memory. Alex.
And you'll find that on the game board behind this number. The computer's at number 1. That makes it very easy to remember. 5 bonus car seconds in this one, of course. The cash pot is at $500. And the vacation is in Santa Fe, New Mexico. And Derek, you get to go first.
All right, let's try that trip. Lucky number 13.
Red take.
And let's try and match that up on a number 5.
Oh.
Derek knows how to start things off on a good note in a tiebreaker game. Open it up,
good.
please. 2 panels for Derek. Select again.
Okay, let's see what's under number 1.
Computer, which we just showed you.
Yep. Let's try and match that up with number 17.
Choose 10 of your favorite novels. No match there. Let's go to Annie.
Well, that would be nice. Let me see what's under number 15, please.
Wild card.
Should I go shop? Number 1 for my husband.
Number 1 for the computer. The other computer on the board at number 14. And
Yes.
so much for the wild card. All of the matches from here on will have to be
Natural.
natural matches.
Okay.
Let's open these 3 doors for Annie.
Okay. Oh, okay.
This is a difficult puzzle, I feel. Annie, select again.
All right, let's see what's under number 16, please.
5 bonus
I
car
could use
seconds.
that. Let's look for to number 4.
Green take.
Green
No
take.
match. Derek?
Okay, let's go down to the bottom to number 23.
Silver tea and coffee service.
Let's try a match under number 9.
Diamond tennis bracelet. No match. Annie?
I'd sure like that diamond tennis bracelet. Let's see if it's under number 21, please.
Santa Fe, New Mexico
Oh, it's a
vacation.
trip under number 20?
Compact disc player. No match. Derek?
Okay, let's see what's under number 24.
Silver tea and coffee service.
And try and match that under number 16.
5 bonus car seconds. No match. Annie?
All right, I think it was under number 12, please. No,
200
it wasn't.
California
All
lottery
right, we're going to have
tickets.
to guess at this one under number 8.
Cash
pot.
pot. No. Derek?
Where was it?
Okay, let's see what's under number 22.
Cash pot.
And was that match under number 8?
Yes. Well, a match for Derek. Some money going up in his column and a chance to use the take to grab a computer.
No, we'll save it.
Thank
Wait
you.
a little while.
Derek likes to save things.
Thank you, Derek.
Open these 2 doors for him, please. Go again.
Okay, let's see what's under number 12.
200 California lottery tickets.
And let's see what's under number 2.
There's a match. 200 California lottery tickets. Am I correct in assuming you're going to save this a little while
Yeah, a
longer?
little while longer.
All right. 2 more doors opening. Pick again.
Okay, let's see what's under number 19.
Crystal goblets and decanter.
Have we seen what's under number 11 yet?
No, we haven't, but that's the Santa Fe, New Mexico trip, and we have seen that before, Annie.
Oh, I can't remember. 21, please?
That's
and for the
where
match,
we
I'm
saw
11. Yeah!
Well, the possibility of a vacation in Alaska and one in Santa Fe, New Mexico.
Hot and cold.
Hot and cold, yes, indeed. But he
Okay.
has that red take, so guard against that.
Okay.
Open the two panels for Annie.
Okay.
Pick again.
All right, I need to see, to open up the puzzle, what's under number 20.
Compact
And I saw
disc
that
player.
under number 9.
No,
No.
diamond tennis bracelet. Derek,
Okay, have we seen what's under number 25?
diamond
we
tennis
have.
bracelet.
Oh, that was that number 9?
Yes.
Yes.
You have the red tape. She has a computer and a New Mexico vacation.
I'll take New Mexico.
Yeah!
All right. Why did you say yeah?
Because I already got the Alaskan trip.
You already got the Alaskan trip.
I
You
want
don't
the
mind?
computer for my husband.
All right.
So-
Very, very sweet of you to think that way.
Thank
Open
you.
these two doors for Derek. Pick again.
Okay, let's see what's under number 18.
Crystal goblets and decanter.
Was that number 20?
No, that's the CD player. Annie was nodding.
I thought
She
that
thought
was
you had
all
made the
right.
match.
All right, let's see number 19 then.
Aha.
All right, number 18 for the match.
Good thinking. A lot of contestants forget to do that. If they think the selection is right and then it isn't, they go to another part of the board. You stayed in the same area and it worked for you.
Thank
Nicely
you.
done, Annie.
Thank you.
Open
Thank
it
you.
up for her. Pick again.
All right, I have to see what's under number 7,
And
please.
we will show you. Compact
And number
disc
20
player.
for the match.
There's a match.
Yeah!
Yes. CD player.
I need that. I need that.
Open it once again. You raised your hand. Hands on your signaling buttons. Get ready to ring in. You can do that once we have exposed the first square, and we're starting with number 3. Let's see who was first. Derek was in.
Is it right under your nose?
I think it is right under your nose. Yeah, and he had it, but he got it a quarter of a second too late. Come on, Derek. Nicely done. This was a great game.
Oh, man. That was tough. Okay. This here is writing, so it's right, and the UN plus deer right under Y plus or your nose. Right under your nose.
Right under your nose, and it was there all along. And Annie,
I had it, and I didn't say it.
that's all right. That's
Oh,
all right.
well.
You're not going away empty-handed. You've got over $7,000 in prizes, including an
Alaska.
Alaskan cruise. Take
Thank
care,
you.
Annie. Enjoy it. Come on. Derek, let's find out what you've just won. Gene, tell him.
A cash pot worth $500, 200 California lottery tickets, and a diamond tennis bracelet. A fashionable 14-karat gold tennis bracelet with 62 round diamonds, each hand set in 4 prongs, 1 carat total weight from the Michael C. Fina Company and Santa Fe, New Mexico. We'll fly you and a guest from Los Angeles to Albuquerque, and you'll spend 5 nights at La Fonda Hotel, the inn at the end of the Santa Fe Trail. You may enjoy Southwestern hospitality at the only hotel on the historic plaza in Santa Fe, New Mexico. A prize package totaling $3,406.
You're up over 10 grand, Derek, and we'll see if you can win a brand new car after this. Full 50 seconds on the clock, so let's get to it. 15 numbered squares, and here is the clock showing you how much time you've got. Good luck. Go to work.
1, 2,
No,
3, 4,
no,
5, 6,
no,
7, 8,
no.
9, 7,
Right?
10, 3,
Yep.
11, 2,
No,
1, 12,
no,
13, 4,
no.
4, 11,
Yep.
14, 2,
Yep.
15, 6,
Yep.
13, 12,
No.
8, 12,
Yep.
5, 13.
You have won a car. Way to go. All righty. Tell me about it, Gene.
Derek You've just won this Plymouth Sundance 2-door. Features an electronically fuel-injected 2.2-liter engine, 4 cylinders, a 5-speed manual transmission, and driver's side airbag. Furnished by Chrysler Plymouth, a prize worth over $8,200.
$18,623. Great day for you, Derek. Congratulations. We'll take a break. Gene, tell us about another prize.
Some of today's participants may receive the Vitavac. It's designed to remove pollen, ragweed, dust, and other allergens from your home while you vacuum. You'll love the way it cleans air while it cleans your home. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment. This is Gene Woods speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.